Hi everyone. So this is the some few more important questions here. Already this section 1 to 6 full completed. Now another section I'm taking this one. This section I will solve, right? So here today I'll solve this first problem, hexagonal prism. This question I will solve, right? So observe, sir. So my name is Subhrajit Sahoo, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Right. Today, this problem I will explain in this video. I will explain this one. Right. Observe, sir. Question. What is given? Question. Sir, what is my object here? Object is a hexagonal prism. Base side is given 30 mm. Height is given 80 mm. Right. Very clearly data are there. No confusion at all. Right. Resting on one of its base edge. Okay. Resting on edge. Right. On the HP. Resting on HP. Okay. Its axis is inclined to 30 degree to HP and 40 degree to VP. Clearly in the questions, two angle is given. 30 degree and 40 degree with respect to HP and with respect to VP respectively. This type of data is given. Anybody can clear from this data. This question belongs to both plane inclination condition. Both plane inclination conditions, right? So draw its projection. Draw its projections, right? So observe, sir. Okay, so 30 degree with respect to HP, 40 degree to VP. So 40 degree I will show in HP and 30 degree I will show in VP. It will be reverse, right? HP given with respect to HP means I will show in VP. With respect to VP means I will show in HP. Same concept here, right? In the exam questions, maybe some data in place of 30 mm, maybe 40 mm will be written. In place of 80 mm, maybe 70 mm will be. Like this, some data will be changed. But question pattern, remember, this type of pattern, 95% chance this type of pattern will come. So practice it properly, right? So that full mark you can get, right? So observe, sir. What I will do, I will draw a very this one is my reference line. Okay, reference line. Name of the reference line is, sir, X, Y. Very traditional name or not? X and Y. X and Y. In mathematics also, X, Y we are using. Here also in diagram. Engineering the drawing also we are using. No problem. AB also if we give, no problem at all. This end A, this end B. Right. So this is not so important, but anyhow we have to give the name of the reference line. Sir, what is the object hexagonal prism? Sir, hexagonal prism I'm keeping like this. Right. Keeping like this. Sir, what is the gap from the reference line to this diagram? What is the gap between the reference line and this hexagon? So that type of criteria conditions is not given in the question, right? So you consider the gap. By your wish, 10 mm, 15 mm you consider, right? Sir, again I can place the control Z. I can place the hexagon like this or not? Like this in place of this one. Can I, sir, consider like this? Ah, sure, why not? You can consider, because regarding this position of the hexagon also, the criteria also, condition also not given in the questions. You may place like this or you may place like this, right? You may place like this or you may place like this, no problem at all, no problem at all. So both options you have, any options you can choose. So this time I am taking this one, this option, this one. Sir, give the name here first. Name is very important, right? A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, now, sir, projection line you draw. Observe here, sir. Drawing the projection line. Sir, so from point B, a single projection line will come from point C and through point F, a single projection line will come from point D and point E. Again, a single projection line will come. Sir, is it required to find center here? Whether required or not required, but in every diagrams, find out the center. Right? Not a very difficult task. Already several times I told. Join the diagonals. Center will be available. Center is available. Right. So next step is what? Next step is here naming. A dash. Black color I will use or blue color I will use. A dash. B dash. C dash. F dash. D dash. E dash. E dash. Right. Sir, what is the axis height is given? 80 mm axis height is given. Right? 80 mm axis height is given here. Observe this one, 80 mm. Okay. This is 80 mm is given. So what I will do, sir, Sarji, here you extend the reference line. Sorry, axis here. Extend the axis. Okay. Axis should be light line, dotted line. Axis should be dotted line. So here I'm extending the axis. So up to what distance? 80 mm. Right. Then we extend the AB side. From AB point, you extend the line. Similarly, from D and E, right? D and E, you extend the line. Then join here to here. So erase this small extra line. Name gives us, what is the name? Double dash, C double dash, D my F double dash, D double dash, E double dash, right? These are the several points will come. Sir, what is the next step? Sir, height is 80 mm resting on its base edge on HP. Okay, its axis is inclined to 30 degree, right? Its axis is inclined to 30 degree. Mark this question, very important here. Its axis is inclined to 30 degree. So sometimes in the question, in place of axis, right? Axis is inclined. In the place of axis is inclined, what will be the chance? Other parameter will be given. The chance is its edge is inclined at 30 degree. Instead of axis, edge edge will be written. Edge is inclined to 30 degree. Like this question also there also I have already solved in the previous videos. You can check it out, right? So, but particularly in this question, specially given axis is inclined. Axis is inclined means the diagram become very easy. Sir, what is the angle? 30 degree to HP. Sir, 30 degree to HP means it will reflect in the vertical plane. Okay, this is my vertical plane. So already also I have told the flow of the diagram. If you are drawing first this diagram, first this one, then second this one, then third diagram will come here, then fourth diagram, then fifth diagram, then sixth diagram. Okay, so automatically 30 degree to HP means no doubt here I will draw third diagram, so that is also correct. So I will consider this statement first, 30 degree to HP. Observe, sir, very simple. Then how to draw this one? First you draw the axis at 30 degree, 30 degree angle. Sir, okay, I'm taking any point here, any point I'm taking, and I'm doing 30 degree, right? 30 degree I'm doing, right? It looks like 30 degree or not. By protector you have to measure and you have to draw. Okay, 30 degree I'm doing. So what is the next step? See, next step is, sir, take any point here on this line. Take any point here. But remember this this E point should touch this reference line, E point, D and E point. It should touch here or here or here or here. It should not be here. E point should not be here. There is no gap between the reference line and E point. The E and D point should touch on this reference line. Like this, I have to choose the position here. Okay, choose the position here. Observe, sir, how to do this one. What I will do, sir, you measure here to here, total distance you measure. A dash, B dash to D dash, E dash, right? Or D dash, E dash to you measure C dash, F dash, C dash, F dash. What I will do, you fix your drafter by parallel to this line. By keeping parallel to this line, where the marker is moving, observe that line. By fix your drafter parallel to this particular line, right? Okay, keep the drafter here, come below. Okay, come below, drafter like this, you come below and measure here to here distance how much, here to here distance how much you measure. Okay, if it is same as D dash to F dash, D dash to F dash, D dash to F dash, then mark the point there, right? So once again I will tell, parallel the drafter to this line, right? Then shift the drafter downwards and simultaneously measure, mark this distance, D dash to F dash distance you measure, and here starting from this point where it is happening, just mark this point. By drafter only it is possible, right? Right. So this is the point, suppose I got, this is the point, this is the point I got, right? Then what I will do, sir? Simple, simple, sir, very simple. Okay, simple now. Okay, sir, simple it is. Object, I'll draw the line from here to here, right? Here to here line I'll draw. That keep the first name. So this is D dash. E dash or not? Okay. And this line. So total length is how much? This total length is D dash to A dash B dash. Total length. Okay. So what is the point here? C dash, F dash or not? And here finally the point is sir A dash and B dash. Sir, what is the next step? Next step, measure D dash to D double dash or E dash to E double dash. Measure and keeping parallel with this line, draw the line here. Right? Draw the line here. So here to here, what is the distance? So here to here distance is here to here distance. Right? C double dash to C dash distance. How much? Now C dash to this much C double dash will come here. That much distance also say. Then sir, what I will do? Observe. Sir, next same join from here to here. Right? Then then join here to here. Right? Sir, what is this angle? This angle 30 degree or not? This angle is 30 degree with respect to HP. But it is reflected in which plane? Vertical plane or not? So this is the diagram, right? When it is inclined to 30 degrees. So naming here A double dash B or not B double dash. Here C double dash F double dash. And here D double dash E double dash. Right. So what is the next step? So next step, you know, I know, everybody know, projection line only from here to, oh my God, thin line, thin line, light line. Okay, light line. Okay, light line you told I have drawn. See, A point and E point, same projection line will come. Right. Adjustment taking time here. B to D also, same projection line will come. Okay. Right. Okay, leave it. Next, last one is C point. The bottom point is C point. Last projection line, what horizontal projection line came. Sir, vertical projection line also required or not? Required, sir. 100% required. Draw. Only draw. See how much is it? Sir, A double dash to also draw. Okay. From from C double dash also. From D double dash also. right? Sir, intersection point is to be find out in the next step. Intersection points are F line. This is my F line. Oh, here intersection point came. Sir, A line. This is my A line. Sir, here intersection point came. Sir, again this is E line and here E line. Sir, here intersection point came. Right? Same way here F double dash, A double dash and E double dash. Okay, sir, B line and this is my B line. Point came here. Intersection point will come here. Sir, D line and D line. Okay, okay. And last one is C line, C line. Same way, B double dash will come here, D double dash will come here, and C double dash will come here. Next step I will tell, right? Sir, join here to here. Oh, light line came, right? Sir, take some beautiful color here. Only this one I will take. Join, sir, here to here. Then here. Then here. Offset. Once again you see. Joining here to here. Then here to here. Then here to here. Then here to here. Here to here. Finally here to here. Okay. Next, again join here to here. Here to here. Here to here. Okay. Over now. Sir, then here to here you join. Right. Then see here to here you join. Right. Here to here you join. Then here to here you join. Right. Observe, sir. Observe, sir. This side will be visible. This side will be visible. This edge also visible. This edge, this edge, this edge visible. So dark line. But this edge will not visible. You should draw dotted line. This edge also backside not visible. You should draw dotted line. Right. And this edge also will not visible. You should draw dotted line. Right. Okay. But this side all edge will be visible. So solid line. So remember this one, this two, this three should be dotted edge, right? Sir, naming give, please naming first. Naming. Okay, sir. Name A, A dash, B dash. Okay, C dash, any name for identifying purpose only, otherwise not so important. You will give name, you you will not face any confusions. That's why only, right? For your benefit only I am telling. mm, F, right, F double dash, and finally E double dash, E dash, F dash, D dash, right? All diagram I have given, all dimension naming I have given or not. So let me little bit shift this diagram to top, little bit. One second, select it. No, correct, it was correct. Okay, let me first read the question. Sir, what is the next? 40 degree to VP. Sir, now first one, second two, third three, fourth four now. Now fifth diagram first I will draw here. Then sixth diagram, final diagram, the fifth diagram. So this is my horizontal plane. Observe 40 degree to VP. That means this 40 degree I will show here. Sir, 40 degree, which one? Axis inclined to 40 degree. Axis inclined to 40 degree. Axis inclined to 40 degree to VP. That means 40 degree axis I have to show here at angle 40 degree. Observe, sir. Very simple this diagram. Little bit up. Go. Please. Okay, okay, okay. Now observe, sir. What I am doing here. Hmm, this much portion line I'm getting, right? Sir, axis is where? This is the axis also you need to draw. Actually, axis line is very important. So here too. This is the axis line, right? What I will do, I will incline this axis. Now this axis here, it is parallel to reference line or not? Black color thin line, parallel. So I will incline to how much degree? 40 degree. 40 degree to VP means in HP, 40 degree will reflect, sir. 40 degree HP. Right, around this much 40 degree or not? 40, okay, 40 degree. Next, sir, what I will do, 40 degree to VP, I have shown in HP. Next, what I will do, observe. Sir, do this axis, this line, perpendicular or not? Perpendicular or not? F dash E C double dash. F dash C double dash line perpendicular or not? Sir, perpendicular. 100% perpendicular. Okay, what you will do? Right? Take any point here. Right? Take any point here. Sir, you choose this point in such a way that, okay, you should take care, you should keep in your mind while choosing this point, right? While choosing this point, you should think in your mind that my diagram should not cross this reference line. Okay, you should choose this point in such a place in this axis, inclined axis at 40 degree, so that my diagram any part should not cross this reference line, right? So take here, sir. What I will do, I will draw this. So this is the axis now. Now this is my axis at 40 degree. Observe, to this axis, this red color line perpendicular now. Now I am going to draw that red color line only. Okay. Now I am going to draw that red color line, that I mean perpendicular. I will do perpendicular to this black line. Observe, sir. Okay. Okay. Several methods are there. This is one of the methods I am telling. Right? I am telling only one of them. method, sir. Okay. See. Okay, sir. After this, observe, sir. Sir, from this point, right? This point is this point or not? Okay. This point is now this point or not? Here, horizontal black line and red line intersect. Same thing also, black line, red line intersect. So this point, actually this point, is this point or not? Yes. Observe, sir, what I will do. Measure here to here. Here to here, measure by compass and mark here. I mark it here. And measure simultaneously same way here to here. So this is my F double dash and this will be my C double dash, right? Then what I will do, sir, observe, measure here to here point, here to here, here to here. Okay. So here you mark, here to here you mark. And measure here to here, right? Here to here you measure and mark it here, right? Sir, what I will do, simple, I will draw the thick line. Okay. I will draw the line here, like this line here, right? Sir, what is the next step? Very simple. Sir, this line I draw. Sir, measure here to here, here to here. Okay, here to E double dash measure. E double dash measure and mark here. Okay, suppose it comes up to this. Similarly, from this point to D double dash measure. Okay, okay, a little bit, right? Sir, join here to here, join here to here, right? Next, same way, same thing you have to repeat here. Right? Join here to here, join here to here, right? Then, then what I will do? I will take break. No, no. Observe. Next, sir, these points are over not? F double dash point is over. E double dash point is over. D double dash point work is over. C double dash also over. B double dash finally A double dash. Oh, right. So next step is what? Sir, measure F double dash to F dash. So this is my F double dash now. Simple, you extend this line to here, right? Okay. F double dash to F dash. Sir, this is my F dash point. Now E double dash to E dash. Okay, E double dash to E dash. But actually it is back side now. Okay, first let me finish the front side. So A double dash to A dash. Okay, so A double dash to O dash. Right. Then B double dash to B dash. Sorry, B double dash to B dash. Right. Then C double dash to C dash. Here, C is there. Right. So join here to here. Right. Join here to here. Join here to here. Okay. Sir, E double dash to E dash is there or not? It will come somewhere here, but it should be light line. It should be light line, right? So you come here, join here to here, and join here to here, right? Observe sir, this diagram. Next, this view is over. Okay, 40-degree data is over. Then what is the here last diagram I have to draw here? How to draw? How to draw? How to draw? How to draw? Okay, naming is required. Naming F dash, F dash, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash. Right? So next, what you will do? Projection line can you draw? Okay, sir. You will tell. I will not draw. Okay, I'll draw here. I'll draw here. Oh, parallel line by drafter only possible. Only use drafter. Okay, na. Okay. From D point also. From P point also. Okay. 30 mm side given actually. But it's not actually 30 mm. That's why small diagram came. And here also space is very less. In the screen only I have to draw. So you need to take the proper measurement, right? Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more line is left. Which line, sir? Sir, C line is there, right? From C line also. Right. Next, from F dash line. From A dash line. From F dash line. From A dash line. From E dash line. E dash. From B dash. from D dash from C dash, right? C dash. Observe, sir. Like this line I have drawn, then join here to here, join here to here, join here to here, right? So because of this space issue, diagram may not come proper shape, but these steps you need to follow, right? Intersection point you have to find out first. Sir, A double dash, A double dash, here or not, here, B double dash, B double dash, sorry, B double dash here, right? Then, so here anyhow you have to find out the intersection point, right? Intersection point you have to find out, and here also intersection point you have to find out. So the diagram shape will come. Let me show you what is the shape will come here, right? What shape diagram will come here? It will come like this. It will come, but intersection point you need to join, right? Okay, let me try this with. Okay, next is B dash over. Next is C dash, C dash, C double dash. Okay. Next is D double dash. Where is D double dash? Here is D double dash, right? D double dash. Next is E double dash. This is my E double dash also. This is my F double dash, right? F double dash. See point came or not? Observe. Diagram will come here, right? Like this. Red color shall I use? Here to here. Thick line I will take. Thick line, thick line, thick line. Here to here. Next here to here. Here to here. Here to here. Here to here. Oh my god. Hexagon came or not? Scheme. So like this shape also here it will come. Yeah. Like this shape also here it will come. I mean, you have to draw the projection line from this point also. A dash, sorry, projection line, right? Projection line from this point also. From this point also. and from this point also, this point, right? See, sir, take the marker, black color, A dash, A dash, meet here, B dash, B dash, meet here, E dash, E dash, and E dash, met here. E dash or not? Yes, right. D dash, D dash, here, here met D dash, D dash, right? We D dash in this line, right? D dash, here, C dash, where is C dash? Here is C dash. Next, 5 point over F dash. This is F dash line or not? Observe, sir. Oh, observe. Oh, yeah. Here to here, here to here, here, here to here, here to here, here to here, then here to here, right? Hexagonal come, then join, here to here you join, right? Here to here you join, here to here you join, and here to here you join, right? So this is my final diagram, right? This is my final diagram. Sir, first I draw this one, then second this one, third this one, fourth this one, fifth this one, sixth this one. Flow of a diagram you observe, right? Naming you have to give here. Naming you have to give. Dimension, proper dimension you have to follow. Step what I have told you have to follow. Then this type of beautiful diagram you will get. Beautiful diagrams, right? So practice it. Any more time you practice is 3-4 times at least practice. 3-4 times you will get clarity. Clarity you will get, right? So with this I will conclude here. Next question we will discuss in the next video, right? Okay.